have a Walmart beauty box. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight, and today I have a Walmart beauty box. Let me quickly tell you about how this works. For $5 a box, it comes seasonally. So 4 times a year for $5, and you can pre-order, basically. You subscribe. It's not like Target where you have to be the first one there, which I've not gotten in months. You go and subscribe to the Walmart beauty box. First of all, I mean, it comes prettily packaged for only $5. And this one particularly says created by InStyle, curated by InStyle. Fingers crossed. Award-worthy savings. Get 2 free issues of InStyle with this coupon. Smells nice. Pretty full. Olay Regenerous Whip Active Moisturizer. I am a huge fan of Olay and will always use Olay. Olay Body Wash. Nice. This is what I'm smelling. That's nice. Pantene Sheer Volume Foam Conditioner. How fun! That is going to be fun. I love it. Whoa, this box is packed. Whitening Therapy Toothpaste by Colgate. Nope, by Crest. There's still more. Secret Soft Solid Antiperspirant Deodorant. Can never have too much of that. And look, there's a mask. There's a mask. Found coconut sheet mask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $5. I mean, the mask alone was worth $5. If you don't subscribe to this, I'm going to leave the link for you below because this is worth $5. I want you to go subscribe right now. No excuses. Go subscribe right now. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that picture just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails. I do beauty unboxings. And I know you won't want to miss a minute of the chaos I have here. Tell me below what you're most looking forward to about spring. Be blessed.